really need to take a holistic approach to the problem of the individual. And so if the individual needs counseling, you do counseling. If the individual needs some educational advancement, you try to get that. That's all a part of the wholeness which we are working on now. I believe in family, and I certainly believe in the welfare of young children. So whatever we can do to help with that, I think is most important.
Amber is in the 9th grade. She was having a hard time focusing. She was having a hard time with the work, but she wasn't saying anything. As things got worse, I decided to actually go into the program. And I was kind of shocked that she agreed to go. They encouraged her to come, and she wanted to learn, and she wanted to know more. They would have lessons on respecting your parents and the decisions you make and, you know, house rules and things like this. And she would participate. And at that moment, I realized, like, we got something here. You know, she's more like me than I realized. It was intense, but it works. You're the first teacher. You are the first teacher, and you have to keep loving them, and you have to show them that whatever happens in this world, we're family. I'm here for you.